What is up, YouTube? I hope everyone's doing okay today. I'm not going to do a huge intro as I know a lot of people just want to kind of get started.
Show me the money.
So in this video, I'll be showing you all my top affiliate programs that even complete beginners can start promoting and earning money as soon as possible. As well as telling you my top programs, I'll even tell you the negatives that come with them too. Not a lot of people are actually doing this, and I'll be telling you the complete truth for that exact reason. But don't worry, I'll let you in on all the little secrets.
Nice.
Also, if you get right to the end, I'll share a huge resource with you that is 100% going to help you in your journey as a new affiliate. So my first program that I want to talk about today is Amazon Associates. So this is one of the first programs I use, like my title says. So this is a very beginner friendly program. This is because the barrier for entry is extremely low. So now we're just heading over here to Amazon. So right at the bottom, you can see that they say make money with us. These are their many ways that they kind of get other people earning money online, increasing their business, as well as some individuals out there. Some of these I think are Amazon FBA. I don't know if you're aware of that or not, but that's not what we're going to talk about today. We're going to go down to the Associates program here. So if we just click on this now, so Amazon's program can be started very easily. You can start promoting products as soon as today. You obviously have the thousands of products that they sell at your disposal. Because Amazon is such a huge name already, promoting their products could be a very good way to give you credibility compared to someone else selling you something from a company that you've never actually heard of. So if we just sign in here, like I said before, I haven't actually used my Amazon Associates account in a very long time, so I've kind of got nothing to show for here, but I can explain how it all works. As Amazon have like thousands and thousands of products, you can search for it here, or then you can, if you know the name of it, or then you can search the ASIN number as well. So just to start, let's just use books as an example. Let's use the classic Rich Dad Poor Dad. So once you've found the product that you want to promote, you then click the bit here, it says get link. Then these are all the ways that you can promote their link. They have 4 different ways, but we're going to use, just for now, for my example, we're going to use text only. But all these other ones, they're different ways to promote the product. I'll explain that in a second. And then from here you go down, and then I just click short link here, and then that's the link there that you then use to promote. And then once someone makes a sale on that, you would then get commission. So back up to these are just other ways that you can promote it, like I said. So you could then have just the image, so someone could click on that image and that would then be your link. It all depends where you're promoting it, whether you're promoting it. So now you have a basic understanding of Amazon Associates. I'll give you just my quick thoughts on it. Like I did say, the great thing about it is that there are thousands of products to choose from, so you would never really get a saturated market by selling any of their products because there is so many of them. And the entry level is so low because the pricing is normally quite small, so you don't have to try and sell huge products and gain a massive amount of trust from people, as these are normally quite impulse buy products. With these links as well, they're very easily customizable, so you can put them on different styles of promotions, like I said. So it could be a great way for beginners to get their foot in the door with affiliate marketing. On the other hand, and the reason why I don't promote them anymore, is the very low commission percentage that you get from selling with them. So if we come back to here, this says here that you get up to 12% commission. So this number is literally the max they would ever even pay out anyway. So now imagine if you just sold that £5 book, that Rich Dad Poor Dad, you sold 1 or 2 of them, you've only just started. Imagine how much commission you're getting based off that £5 book. So that's a negative that really kind of puts me off doing this. Also, the other thing is that the cookies only last 24 hours. So this means that anytime after that, if a sale is made after 24 hours, that wouldn't be attributed to yourself at all. So you wouldn't make any sales past 24 hours. Moving on to our second program, this one's Clickbank. This one I have used and I have made a decent amount of money with before. They again have thousands of products, not all great ones, but we'll come back to that. Come back to that later. So just make a login up here and then head over to their marketplace to see all the products they offer. So this is just their marketplace here. Also with Clickbank, I have actually made a video on how you can make sales, which I will leave in the top right hand corner now. It can be a very good start for beginners, as people are already making millions with the products here. You just have to find a way to kind of jump on the back of this. Some of these products here aren't the best, but you can find certain products in certain categories which are really good. How to sell these, however, are a whole different story to Amazon, as you may need to make theme pages on socials based around the products and then sell them accordingly. So these are all the categories that they sell in. There's obviously certain ones that are better than others. A big one at the moment on Instagram, if you make a theme page, you can go to spirituality, and this is what it would look like. You then have your average conversion on the right here, and then the name, and then you've got the affiliate page as well. But like I said, if you did want to go further into Clickbank and you know that's what you want to do, then just head over to that video that I put in the top right hand corner. Pros and cons with Clickbank. The positives are that the products are mainly digital, so getting sales would be slightly easier, as a customer wouldn't have to worry about the shipping times or product damages, so anything along those lines. It's just a simple email that would get sent to you and you would have the product instantly. Especially as these are normally impulse buys, you can act on that by selling all these digital products. It's all very quick as well. If I show you, just this gravity here is just the ones that are being sold by quite a lot now. This isn't really a great example at the moment as what I was going to say, but normally the commissions are quite high, so you can see the average commission here, average conversion is $65, so they normally are quite high compared to other places. So there we go, there's one, 145 for an average conversion, 143, sorry. Also, if you can see this small bit here, some of these have recurring rebills. So if someone then made a sale here and then got that first commission, they would then also get recurring payments every month or every year, or every however they've set it. So this can be a great way to get passive income, and by making money by not even really doing anything other than the first sale. Right, on to the negatives of Clickbank. The negative of it is that the majority of these products can be very spammy. They are never actually that great, but kind of made to look a lot better than they are, which is why you have to be really careful and do your research on these products. If you are selling to a community that kind of trusts you,
You're loyal.
if you have built up a Instagram base or a fan base on any social platform, and you then sell them these terrible products, the trust they had of you may disappear. So especially if you're bombarding them with crap all year round and then email marketing them as well for the same products that are just complete rubbish, then they're going to completely lose their trust in you and lose their faith in you at all. Like I said before though, I'm going to be completely honest with you about all these programs. Even though I use them and don't use them, I still personally believe that Clickbank is actually really good. Like I said before, you may find diamonds in the rough that can then actually make you a huge amount of sales with very little refunds, especially if you use softwares like CB Snooper, which you can find products kind of on the rise that you could jump on that are then doing really well, and then you can make quite a few sales over the next few months. I won't talk about CB Snooper too much, as I did talk about it in the Clickbank video. If you're looking to make money with Clickbank, just head over to that and then you'll understand what CB Snooper is. Also, remember to smash that like button if you're enjoying this video so far. It does help out this channel quite a lot. So the next program, I'll only talk about this one shortly, is Legendary Marketer. This is only a product that you can be affiliate for if you have joined the program already. So if you've done the challenge already. So I won't go into a huge amount of detail on this one. So if you're not aware of this already, this is a course where they teach affiliate marketing and how you can make money online with certain online businesses, not just affiliate marketing, but the main focus is affiliate marketing. I joined the course a while back for extra knowledge, and also to join the program, which I could then promote as well. As it only costs $7, start learning affiliate marketing and also then join their affiliate program too. Around here you'll get upsold later. So here in the challenge, this is where I think it's after day 5 you get upsold on their business blueprints, and then later on you get upsold as well. I never actually use them. I have heard that people that do them make a lot of money back anyway, but it's completely up to you. You can do the course for $7 and just get all the information that I got, and then I use that in every other form of affiliate marketing, and I've actually made quite a good amount of money from it. Pros and cons, I believe in this course as it did teach me a lot, and there is a huge amount of information for only $7. However, it is getting very saturated at the moment, especially on TikTok, where I did start promoting it, as many people are promoting it on there as well. So it could be hard to kind of get your foot in the door right now. But saying that, I thought that when I first started using TikTok, and now I've been able to increase my revenue over 10k a month with it.
What?
If you did want to jump onto this challenge as well, it's just a 15-day challenge. I'll leave it down in the description below. This is obviously my affiliate link too, so this doesn't mean that you'll be paying any more. It'll just credit me for the sale. Right, on to our next program. This next one's ClickFunnels. I'm just going to jump the gun here straight away completely and tell you my thoughts, as I use this all the time. I have multiple funnels with them. I wouldn't use any other program from now on. I then also use Aweber as well, but we're not going to talk about Aweber today. And then I use Aweber as an email automation connected to ClickFunnels. Again, I have done a review on them too, which I'll put in the top right hand corner for you now. If you are thinking about getting a membership, be sure to watch that before you do. So if we just head over to the affiliate program now, you can see that they offer up to 40% commission, as well as that being a monthly recurring payment too. So now that Amazon payout, that 12% max, seems a lot less now. Also, once you do get a customer onto ClickFunnels, they say, or they do have such a good software that they rarely see people cancelling their memberships. So keeping a high monthly recurring commission, which is all passive from them, can be extremely simple. A lot of affiliate programs also do prizes, so they do the your dream car prize. So with this, you just need to have 100 active members, which will then give you $500 for car finance, or 200 will give you $1,000. So the pros are pretty obvious now, I think. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go through a few cons with ClickFunnels. So when you first start ClickFunnels, you only receive 20% commission, which is still okay, I suppose, but it's not that 40% that you get once you have 40 members, active members. So you need to get 40 active members, and then you can change it from a 20% commission to a 4, so you can double your commission that you receive. And the second negative as well is that they don't let you promote the standard 14-day free trial until you have a certain amount of sales with them. So the 14-day trial is a great way to get sales right from the start, because people would know that you can do a 14-day trial before you even have to pay anything and then jump on the program. But ClickFunnels wants you to sell some of these other products here, so the traffic secrets, the one funnel away challenge, .com secrets, expert secrets. They want to sell some of these first before you can sell their 14-day free trial, which could be a great way to actually get more people right at the beginning. But it's just how ClickFunnels work. That's what they want. And then once you've done that, then you can sell their normal member, or just a 14-day trial, which most people would actually really want to do if they don't know what ClickFunnels is. Now, if you stayed right to the end, like I said at the beginning, I'll let you in on the great resource that will potentially help you start making a huge amount of money online. So if you head down to my description, I'll leave a link which will lead to this personal private Facebook group. In there we talk about future goals, and it'll be the best way to talk to me one-to-one. I also then post extra information for you if you don't follow my YouTube. Also, it's just me trying to grow a community of like-minded people like myself to help each other work and make more money online. If you want to check that out, I'll leave a link down below for you. I hope this video has helped you beginners understand some of the best places for you to get started. I know it can be daunting to start out as an affiliate with all the thousands of programs that you could possibly promote. So maybe use this video to hone in on a select few places. Get going as soon as you can, because the quicker you get started, the better. If you also did find value in this video, please drop a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for future videos helping you how to make money online.